Hi everyone, welcome back to the revision station. Today, we're going to learn about articles. There are two kinds of articles: indefinite articles and definite articles. Use a or an when you talk about one thing, but not a specific thing. Use a for words with a consonant. A dog. A book. A flower. Use an before words that start with a vowel sound. Listen carefully. An egg. An umbrella. An empty box. The is for something specific. We both know what it is. The dog is in my house. The blue umbrella. The moon is big. Let's see some more examples. I have a pencil. She wants an orange. The pencil on the desk is mine. Where is the orange I gave you? It's quiz time. Write your answers on a piece of paper. Great job! How many did you get right? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more grammar lessons. See you next time.